Hello and welcome to the video overview of our Spring Practice Management release, version 2019.19.01. This release will be available on Sunday, June 2nd for the workweek starting Monday, June 3rd, 2019. New enhancements for ease of use include but not limited to time entry. Various enhancements were added that give more information to the user, better information and ease of use to apply progress amounts, adding more filters to reports, and more. Professional employees are aware of newer trends in software. We work on updating the look and feel incrementally to avoid pushing everyone out of their comfort zone but continually merging a consistent look across our products. This helps prepare firms migrating to our cloud products. Tabs on folders are now colored throughout the software. Buttons also have a new background color and bold text. The main administration page now includes both administrative activities as well as firm setup options. Users will find this look if they migrate to our cloud products. The main accounts receivable page also has a consistent look and feel with our cloud products. In entering time and expenses, the program has expanded to reflect better information. More options when releasing transactions provides better efficiencies in managing client billing. Now when employees look at any day on their calendar, they can see the status of the transactions that they entered. This includes transactions that are now in work in progress, those that have been invoiced in addition to the transactions that have not been released or just released. In the past, employees released transactions for a date range and that always included all of the unreleased transactions for the date range entered. Now employees have a choice of selecting specific transactions to release for the date range entered. This can be very useful during tax season when the firm wants to deliver a tax invoice that requires all transactions to be posted. There is a new security permission for this feature. When updating time for a date range, a new option is available to review all transactions not released but dated prior to the date range for posting. For accountants who use timers when entering client hours, the display window now includes more information for each timer, including the engagement description, the project and the service code. In addition, it displays the elapsed time. Expanded billing information provides budget information for online billers working with projects. Online bill managers may now view project budgets including both hours and amounts when making their WIP billing decisions. To bring up the budget form, tap on the project in the navigation bar. Mailers have been redesigned for ease of use by reworking a consistent design to add, edit and delete mailers as well as standard field selection for quick labels. Setting up mailers now conforms to the setup of other list items. Options for mailing lists, merge and quick labels move the user to pop-up forms. Mailing lists are now on a separate form that is more intuitive for the user. Quick labels now conforms to standard select lists that display the available fields to the user in a separate list box. The selected fields are contained for the user in its own list box. The available fields have not changed. Filters provide quicker analysis for readers of the reports. The Locate File button, formerly Project File Locator, now has two radio buttons to filter the client files for the project selected. All transactions now include unposted, WIP and WIP history. There is an option to search for only project transactions for the project selected in the grid. There is also an option to search for the client transactions within a date range, sorted so that you can find the employee who last recorded a transaction for any engagement. Filters provide quicker analysis for readers of the reports. An additional checkbox gives users the option of filtering for only clients that are being billed. If the checkbox is not checked, then clients display if they are being billed or if they have ending WIP. This page from the report now includes only clients that have billings. The addition of the checkbox for WIP aging only now removes the additional rows for AR aging. You can see there are only rows for WIP on this report. Report names have changed. The standard in designating the employee function on projects is the use of the word role. We now use the word role instead of position. Role is also used in our Access Practice product. Practice Management provides 25 bill rates but has not included labels to identify the use of the rate. Now we have added the ability to add a label for each of the rates used. Bill rate labels display on two tabs in the Employee Setup folder. For firms to stay current, we have added a link on the main navigation bar to the support site. The Hot Topics first topic displays the latest version. The quick link to check for the latest release is on the main navigation bar. For firms to provide visibility to their employees for events and holidays, a new firm calendar has been added to other lists and displayed on the employee dashboard. The setup of the calendar is done in Administration, Lists, Other, Firm Calendar. This is an example of the employee dashboard view of firm events for the year. Thank you for watching the video overview of our Spring Practice Management Release, version 2019.19.01.